Okay, let's take a look at the heart from a different angle. We just got done doing the anatomy of the heart with all of the different chambers, the vessels, the arteries, the valves, looking at it from one section. So let's look at it as a cross section of the superior view of the heart, and it's going to look a little different. So I'm going to just write superior of the heart. And the heart's going to look a little bit like this. Just do that. And over here, let's start there. We've got another hole right there. Big hole right here. And another big hole right here. Almost looks like the alien with a gas mask at this point right here, but this is our posterior and anterior edge of the heart. So this is the front, looking at that. And right here, we have our pulmonary semilunar valve. Right here. We have our aortic semilunar valve. And then right in here, those are openings to our coronaries, arteries. So as soon as the left ventricle contracts and ejects blood into the aorta, some of that blood is siphoned off into each of these two coronary vessels and supplies the heart with oxygenated blood. Over here, we've got another valve. This is our right AV valve, or tricuspid. And then over here, it's a little different. We have our left AV valve, which is bicuspid. And since we're here, let's just talk about the flow, the path of blood flow through the entire circulatory system. We did that a little bit a few videos ago, but let's just break it down into a little bit simpler way of doing it. So we can start with the pulmonary trunk. Let's go to the pulmonary trunk to the pulmonary arteries. To the pulmonary capillaries. And then the capillaries of the lungs. And then we get to the venules, pulmonary veins, and then we return our blood to the left atrium, left AV valve, left ventricle, aorta, and then once the aorta gets it, we send it systemically to our arteries, arterioles, capillaries, venules, veins, and then we get to the vena cava. And the vena cava returns blood back in via the right atrium, the right AV valve, right ventricle, to the pulmonary valve, and then turns to the pulmonary trunk to start this whole process over again. So these are all our valves. This is superior view of the heart with the atria removed, so we can see all the pathways of blood. And then this is the circulation through there.